Alliteration is a literary device characterized by the repetition of the same consonant sound at the beginning of nearby or closely connected words within a phrase or sentence. It is often used to create rhythm, enhance the musicality of language, and draw attention to specific words or ideas. Meaning, alliteration involves the repetition of initial consonant sounds in a sequence of words. It adds a rhythmic quality to writing and speech. Usage. Writers use alliteration for various purposes, including creating musicality. The repeated sounds can create a pleasing or rhythmic effect, enhancing the flow of language. Emphasizing ideas. Alliterative phrases can draw attention to key concepts or themes. Aiding memory. The repetition of sounds can make phrases more memorable, especially in poetry or advertising slogans. Examples: she sells seashells by the seashore. Repetition of the s sound. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Repetition of the p sound. The big brown bear bellowed boldly. Repetition of the b sound.